I hear the same thing every time. Wow, you guys really make the presses here. And the answer is yes. We make everything for the Riley Hopkins presses right here in Vancouver, Washington. There's a lot that goes into these presses, so let me show you how it's made. This is one of the reasons why the final product looks so good. We're using high-grade materials. We want the product finish to look really good in your shop. We process it here on our 4-kilowatt fiber optic laser, which produced great results. One of the examples we got here is the Riley Hopkins print station gussets. After the part leaves the laser cutter, oftentimes it needs to go to the press brake. On the first bend, he's going to calibrate the machine with what's called an angle adjustment. Once he's confirmed he's got the desired bend result, he will just run continuously the parts through the press brake. One of the biggest pieces to the Riley Hopkins 360 puzzle is our machine parts. He's machining one of the Riley Hopkins registration plates, and it starts as a raw block of aluminum. So because this is a machine part, it has really tight tolerance. That kind of consistency is important from going print head to print head. You want them to be the same. So consistent parts is how you get there. This right here is an 8-color wheel. The way we've designed this unit, we can ensure that this hinging pocket is in the same relationship to the center of the wheel all the way around, and that will really help with consistent prints over and over and over again. So Norma's not like trying to be in the video 100%, but she's building the base. Because we're using such a strong center post, that also helps with the deflection as you apply pressure to the pallet. It's from the 2-inch center post to the 3-inch center post. Much beefier. This crate is how it will arrive to you at your doorstep. All right, so there you have it. This is the final product. So really how this press came about is years and years of listening to you, the customers. And so those are the elements we really focused on. So what this new press offers is a very stable print surface. And what that's gonna allow you is to not have any variation as you print. We're very confident that this is a piece of machine that you can grow with. So when you partner with Ryonet, you can ensure we're selling you high quality equipment. So you can be confident that you're going to be first to the finish line over your competition.